just a matter of grabbing a pin. Sometimes they'll fight you, sometimes they don't. Now, at times you want to check your end plate and your rear half. I can feel just a slight bit of movement, which is perfect with the rollarized setup. I'm not even bother putting the dial indicator on it. Okay, roll her back this way. Drop the camera, hopefully not. Okay, that's the time and install your clutches and steels. You're alternating a steel. Let me set these back here. Okay, fiber, I use an ice cream bucket. Here's automatic transmission fluid to soak them. Come on. Okay. Pressure plate. Snap ring back in. It's perfect. Because this is rollarized, we're using these here. They're basically Turbo 350 front pump bearings. That's the machine, both sides. To get this rear snap ring in on this, you take a screwdriver, pull this up. You start on the one side. Otherwise, it'll drop down a little bit. And get it over, and there's enough grooving on this that you can lift up on it, and this side, poof, there, it's all popped in. One more Turnkton. That's the back end assembled, basically. From here, you put in all your gear shift linkage. Then you drop your whole hub. You guys have watched that other video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoy making them for you. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Thanks for now. Bye.